TikTok. You guys know that?
Have you heard about TikTok?
TikTok is huge.
TikTok is a social media platform that allows you to be super duper creative and connect with a bunch of other people.
So people can use it to create any kind of video on any topic.
It contains videos that range from 15 seconds all the way up to a minute.
They really know how to keep you scrolling and engaging with content for a long time, even though the videos are short.
The videos are so short that you can just watch them while you're on the go and whenever you have free time. So if you have a really busy schedule, you can just open up TikTok and watch like dozens of creators really fast.
The main way that I engage with my fans on TikTok is through the comments section on my videos, because the interaction is so high there, like better than I've seen on other social media channels in general. Another key way, which people love, is by going live on the app. I get a lot of comments now asking me to please go live again and again, because they love to have that closer interaction with you.
To keep the brief relatively simplistic, because the videos are so short, just work with the creators to come up with what's best to display your product.
I definitely advise going all in and testing out what content works best for you. TikTok is really driven by the sounds that people use in their videos. You'll find from scrolling through the For You page that certain sounds tend to keep appearing in people's videos, and it's these sounds that are trending. So what I'd suggest is jumping on these sounds and using it in your own videos, replicating that trend or adding your own twist to that trend so that you have a much better chance of appearing on the For You page. There is definitely a standout piece of content that I worked with Super Awesome on that I am really proud of, and that was on a partnership with HarperCollins for David Walliams' new book. Oops, that's mine. The video got over 1.4 million views, which is nuts. Once you upgrade to a pro account on TikTok, you are able to see much more detailed analytics than just the video views or likes on your video. For my video analytics, I can see the total playtime of my video in hours, the average watch time of the video, a breakdown of where people found my video, and a breakdown of the countries the person was viewing from, with a total number of viewers that were reached. All of these statistics are really helpful for working out what may need to be improved upon next time in your videos.
Some of my statistics that I like to look at the most are probably like the follower activity, so you can see what time of day is best for you to post your TikToks. You can also see like the gender of your followers and sounds that your followers typically listen to, and overall just the video views in general. And that information helps me create my TikToks because I can look at what trends would best suit for my followers and which ones to jump on.
I love that there is a strong sense of community in the app because people are so open to interacting with one another through the comments. And when there is a trend taken off, people jump on it and put their own unique spin on it. You can get a lot of inspiration from the videos that are on there.
It allows me to be super creative with my videos and come up with a bunch of new content for my followers. And there's so many users on TikTok that you can reach such a wide audience. It's a great platform.